Good day, guys. This is our report. Agnes Strain Theory in 1992 suggests that criminal behavior can stem from the strain of falling to achieve the key goals such as wealth, status, respect, or autonomy, particularly or adolescence. Additionally, negative experience like losing something without all exposure to harmful stimuli can lead to frustration and anger, which may drive individuals to commit criminal acts. Example ano guys, as a teenager who struggles in school and faces bullying at home may feel frustrated and angry, unable to meet expectation like academic success or family approval, then might keeping school, vandalize property, or even joining a gang to gain a sense for belonging and release their anger. Like, kanang isa ka antay student nga nag-eskwela tapos ginabully siya sa school nya nay ang uban nga tao kaning wala sila nagasukol sa eskwela pero pag abot silang balay dito nila ipagawa silang pag-appreciation og ilang kasuko, or ang uban pod is nagajoin sila sa gang para like na sila makitaan nga kuan tao nga kuan dito niya mapagawa siyang kasuko. Research findings: the range of negative events that condition increase the likelihood of crime. Ang example na teenager bully at school might get so anger and frustrated they end up vandalize property and attacking others. Ang kanan example na kay kuan. May usa ka bata nga ginaabuso sa kuan sa kaning ilang kuan ba unsa na papabadala or kuan or mga kapitbahay. Ay nay possible nga ang isa ka student mo appeal sa gang para sa protection sa iyahang sarili. Crime has been linked to various factors including child abuse, neglect, criminal victimization, physical punishment by parents, negative relationship with peers, neighborhood issues, and stressful life events such as parental divorce. Example is a child who grow up abused and in a violent neighborhood may join a gang to commit crimes for protection and belonging. Ang pasabot daw na is a child who grows up abused in a violent neighborhood may join a gang to commit crimes for protection and belonging. Other major types of strain. Number 1, others prevent you from achieving your goals. Example, a student who is constantly bullied, negative stimulus might steal or fight back. Ang liba kaning ang example na kay kuan sa mangawat or kuan or musukol siya sa kuan sa uban niya nga classmate. Ay kaning mobalo siya kapag ay kung ang iyang mga classmate sige bully saya iyang balusan. Number 2, others take things you value or present you with negative or nauseous stimuli. Number 3 is subcultural theory. This theory related to anomy and strain uses status, frustration, and differential opportunity to explain delinquency among disadvantaged group in the mid-20th century. Example na agang that values violence and toughness over school success. Albert Cohen's work on status frustration explained that lower class youth is frustrated by their inability to achieve middle class goals, reject this value from their own subculture. Example na kay agang that values violence and toughness over academic success. Ang sample na kay kuan tungod sa ilang kapobrehon ay ang kuan ni diri ay kay kuan kaning yung naisa kagang na yung ila pang gi pa pinapahalagahan nila ang kuan kaning ilang kahanas sa kuan gahi sila kay kuno kay gang sila maong dili na sila mo kuan madtog school para makakamit sila sa ilang kuan silang goal. Richard Loward and Lloyd Olin in 1960 identified the three types of opportunity structure for lower class youth in different neighborhoods: criminal, earning thought crime, conflict, gang violence, and retreats, drugs, and alcohol. Therefore, social control theory. This theory, associated with Travis Ritchie in 1969, explained why people obey the law, suggesting that strong social bonds promote conformity to social norms, while weak bonds lead to delinquency. This non-traditional perspective emphasized. Example is a teen close to their parents is least likely to steal. A teen with no family support might commit theft. Kanang nay isa ka bata nga kuan kaning wala na naga-support iyang pamilya tungod sa iyang tungod sa iyang ka pobre na kakomit sa og crime na pagpangawat. Last na. Key components of social bonds. Number 1, attachment. Stronger relationship with others who expect conformity increase the likelihood of an individual conforming social norms. Example na is attachment. Attain close their parent avoid crime to not disappoint them.
Uy. Naglulok ya.
Ay ang isang teenager na doon sa ilang pamilya kay kuan mo iwas siya og krimen kay tungod kay gidala sa sayang magulang sa good things. Commitment. The more committed an individual is to a particular lifestyle, such as marriage, parenthood, or a job, the greater potential consequences they face if they in a criminal behavior. Commitment. Ang halimbawa na isa ka kaning kuan tay naay isa ka trabahante nga nasa opisina na siya nakakita siya og kwarta sa log nga wala niya gipili nga iyang ikuha kay basig masangin lang siya unya madaot iyang karir sa iyang trabaho. Ano siya ang commitment din ang involvement. The more times a person spend or law abiding activities, that less time they have for criminal behavior. Ay kuan involvement kay ang halimbawa na isa ka mag-aral na aning busy sa iyang pag-eskwela nya ang kuan na siya is gapo na siya para dili siya ma-appeal di siya ma-involve sa kuan sa ganggang sa involvement na sa believe kay this refers to upbringing. If an individual has been go to up to below, then they are less likely to become involvement